So there's a real question that comes to my mind when it comes to these Spider headlights here. When you have the option of a bulb, say, like this, or like this for your low beam, you know, like a normal connecting bulb, why would you choose this? These teeny tiny, itty bitty little bulbs that literally constantly blow out of there. Honestly, it, in my opinion, is ridiculous, the choice to put those in this top bulb here. Why? So let's start the teardown operation of getting all this apart. First, it's these clips. They're just these plastic clips here. And whatever, I use a flat screwdriver. I get under this head here, pop it up, and then I pop this one out. I don't know, they're a couple cents. I've broken a few of them before. Moving on, we gotta take off these because I'm taking off my grill anyway to replace it with a new one. You can get it off without taking these off, but I'm taking them off anyway because I've got a new grill to put on. So, it's coming off. I'm using a 10 mil socket. 10 mil socket on there. And there's 4 of these on the top of the grill. This thing is actually extremely handy. It's a little Milwaukee wireless ratchet. Oh, it's just beautiful. After that, you gotta pop the clips in here. There's one here, here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 down there. I'm using just a pair of channel locks. So you just gotta get in there, pinch the end of it, and then slide it through. Just like that. So you're getting behind the clip, pinching the end, pulling it out. That's it, grill is off. Next up, you have to take these bolts off around the headlights. And don't drop the bolt, like me. That's okay, it fell right through. There's still a bolt in the back here. They don't have to come all the way off, but they gotta be loose. Once it's loose, see this little bolt right up in here. It's 10 mil as well. With that off, we should be able to just pull the assembly right out. So then in here you can see the extremely thought out, well-built loom that we have going on here. That's exactly what you want to see, is just a big mess back here. But here it is. Here's the beautiful mounting point. It's like a C-clip almost that goes over top of it, like this. And then the light pulls out just like that. Look at that. Perfect. Now, a little bit of wiggling. Oh, I got some free bees. Want them? Yep. As you see, this one has been abused a little bit more. Ah! Ha ha ha! Everything is covered in rust. This connector right here for the ground actually rusted out. I guess let's try and fix this. So after screwing with it for forever, I finally got the light to go. So, gotta get this thing back in before it decides to change its mind. Perfect. There it is. Let's hope it's the right one. Ah, it's not. So this is the upgraded unit, I guess. Chrome with black. I don't know, it's a different look. I don't know if I like it as much as the black with the chrome. Like, I'd go all black personally, but that's what I have. See, the issue is I hit a bird and it went through here and snapped this piece of the grill, so it doesn't look right. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna put it on there and see if I like it. It's the worst that can happen. So getting it on there is the reverse of what we just did. push the clips in. Okay, that's the new grill, I guess. I guess we can kind of call it a sleeper now. But yeah, that's it for today. Change the grill, change the headlight bulbs. If you want my opinion, get a custom set built instead of going with an aftermarket pair like Spyders or, well, these are Spyders. It's not worth it. It's not worth the money. You're gonna get way better headlights and a better look if you get a set built, which it's gonna be a little pricier, but it's worth it. I don't know, you tell me what you think. Should I keep the chrome or should I go back to the broken grill or should I get this one modified a little bit so it matches the truck? Because I could get it painted black to match the truck. But yeah, there's still tons of stuff I want to do to this thing, so videos aren't going to be stopping anytime soon. But yeah, until next time, don't miss me too much.